Hey guys, welcome to another video. We'll be doing that design in this video using Polygel. So keep watching. So I am practicing Polygel and it's not easy to work with, but it in the end give you the result you want. So I am practicing Polygel. Start offering it as a service, but it's not easy to work with. So persons want options other than acrylic, because some person cannot bear the scent of the acrylic liquid. So polygel is another option. So here I'm shaping out a long square nail with polygel. That's just one bead of polygel. So you gauge the bead according to the length of the nail that you plan to do. So I only did 2 beads of the polygel. Yeah, it moves where you want it to go. Sometimes it even moves where you don't want it to go. But for the most part, the thing with polygel, it's not dry as quick as an acrylic if you're working on shaping and so on. So I help you to put things into perspective where you want them to go before you cure. So that's my second bead of polygel. So I'm doing my thing with the polygel, trying to make it look a certain way I want it to look. I'm going to shape it afterwards. I don't think I've videoed the shaping. It's just like a regular shaping. Sidewalls, free edge, and the surface of the nail. Same kind of system as I do with acrylic. It's the same filing system with this polygel. So it worked out well, but I think it works best for me when doing a longer nail. Easier to move than doing a shorter nail, because I did a shorter nail afterwards and it was not the easiest, but we still got the result we wanted. So the longer the nail, it works a little better for me with polygel. So afterwards we take off the tacky layer with alcohol. Almost smooth already without doing anything. So now I'm filing or shaping the nail. Well, I thought I didn't record it, but it seems as if I recorded some of it. Yeah, some of it. So if I'm in the buffing stage, it is some of it. So smooth. Now we're gonna do our design. So the design on our Instagram page. It's quite nice. And decided to try it. I don't think it was the same colors though, but just the design itself. I decided to use yellow since we're in this summer period still. So we have not left summer yet. So we're still in summer. So a nice vibrant color. So that's the second coat. So each color gets its 2 coats. The yellow is from You Are Sugar, and the pink probably is from Beatles gel polish system. Yeah, that pink. So keep on watching, guys. Enjoy the nail art video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment below what you think of the nail videos, what you like to see, any questions about what I did and how I used it. Feel free to do so, guys. I welcome your comments. So keep on watching. top coat, guys, to seal in the design. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.